welcome back to another video, guys. Well, today I'll be doing an unboxing. All right, so I got this box with some pots, bowls, etc. All right, so I'm going to unbox it to see the exact thing that is inside of it. On the outer part they tell you what is inside, but I need to see for myself. Alright, so I got this box about 2 weeks ago and I just got the chance to open it. Alright, so we're doing it together. Alright. Okay. All right, so I get a spoon, knife. It's a well compact box. Another spoon. And these are some plates, metal plates. So I got, let me see, one, two, three, four, 5 metal plates. Metal plates. All right, and everything is metal, guys. And I got some metal bowls. These can use for cereals or soup. You know that I see the soap factory people them using these kind of containers. So 5 bowls. They are very unique. Very unique. Wow. And cups. They come in sets of 5. Very unique, guys. I like them. And lots of spoons, knife, forks. No, it's actually, let me see. Yes, 5 cups. Forks, they come in sets of 5. And what is this? Oh my god. Wow, this pot. This pot is the right size. This is nice. So I get a pot. Alright. I'm going to go cooking at the pot. Soup. I'm going to cook soup. And a bigger pot, and they come with the covers. Also very nice. This was thoughtful though. Very thoughtful. I cannot be out of pot for now. And this is what I assume this is our baking tin. I don't know, but it's a very nice set, guys. Very nice set. They were very considerate, and I really appreciate it, guys. This is a very short video, so remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Okie dokie. Bye.